Now let's work on the free transform tool. This is a basic staple tool that you can use for manipulating the graphics that we work with and various objects on stage. Let's get started. We'll start a brand new Flash document. We'll keep the document properties as we see them. And over here, select the rectangle tool. And then fill color of your choice. I'll use dark blue, and a stroke color of your choice. I'll use black and a stroke height of 12. And you can use what you like. 12 is fine, and then I'll come over here to the stage and just draw a rectangle. And now back over to our tool groups, and I'll take a look at a actual tool group that contains two. One is the free transform tool, the other one is the gradient transform tools. We want the free transform tool. It has no properties. Now on stage we can see that we have various handles. There's 8 handles, and the mouse pointer will change as we move around the object. So we can see that between the handles we have an icon for skewing. At the corners on the outside edges we get a rotate icon. On the actual handles we get a resize icon, and in the middle we've got a drag icon. So we just matter using these as we need them. So I'll go to the corner, and I got the rotation icon, and you can see you can rotate items, and with the shift key down you'll get some constraints on the rotations, 45-degree angles. And then on the handles it's unconstrained unless you hold the shift key down, and go from any side you like. And in between you got the skewing capability. And you can drag this back and forth as you like. These basic functions that you have are also a part of the modify transform menu, in which you see some of them repeated. Scale and rotate, rotate and skew, scale only. We also have flip vertical and flip horizontal. I find these handy from time to time. I'll try flip horizontal. Sometimes I find if I'm drawing something, maybe an example could be an arm, and you draw it on one side, you need another exact one but at a different angle in the opposite direction. You make a copy of it and then flip it. Now this tool works on the object selected, so let's draw a second one. And back over here, and just be an oval to be different. And we'll keep all the same properties. There's my oval. And I'll use the shortcut key to the free transform tool. That's the letter Q. And then I'll select, and you can see you can select items just as you do with the selection tool. Move them around. You also can select items where you have the free transform tool, just like you have with the selection tool. Actually it's combined in a way. And now we have two objects selected with the free transform tool, and these various functions work on all selected items. Deselect, just select one, and you can work on that one, and then you can select them again as a group. Okay, very handy tool to have, so practice it. It's not too much work to build something and play around with it.